Hi there, and in this video I will show you 5 amazing Illustrator tips that will make your work a lot more easier. So without wasting any time, let's start it. If you want to increase or decrease the size of your logo proportionally, then select your logo and double click on the scale tool. The scale panel will be open. Here you write the percentage of your logo that you want. I write here 50%. If you want it increased, you can write the increased value, then click on OK. So my logo is exactly 50% smaller than the original one that you see on the left. If you want to learn how I designed this logo, then click on the I button. So the next tip is, if you draw two lines using pen tool and you want the endpoints to join each other, then what you have to do is to select both of your lines and then right click on the sharper tool. Here you find the join tool. Click on it and then click on your points. This will not only join your endpoints but also convert it into a single path. So I hope you like this trick. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. This will really help me. Let's say you have an image and you want to round the corner of your image. All you have to do is to draw a rectangle of the same dimension. So I know that my image is 1080 by 1920 pixel. So I create a rectangle with the same dimension and press on OK. So now you have to make sure that your rectangle is on the top of your image. So once you have done it, now you have to select both of your rectangle and image and click on Ctrl 7 to make a clipping mask. Now you can easily round the corner of your image. So I select the direct selection tool and just rounded the top right corner. So here you can see now it is easily rounded. So I hope you like this trick. So the next tip really helps you if you are designing a pattern. So if you're designing a pattern and you fill up the middle of your artboard and you are going to fill the corners of your artboard now, so what you have to do, first you have to make the copy of your item. So I select the leaf and in the edit menu I make a copy of it and paste it on the front. Is to press Ctrl K. The preference panel will be open. Here you write 1000 pixel because my artboard size is 1000 by 1000. I write here 1000 and click on OK. Now what you have to do is to click on the right arrow key. So the same item will be repeated and it will create a seamless pattern for you. So after you are done with your pattern, press Ctrl K again and change the 1000 pixel to 1 pixel again. The next tip is very amazing and I'm sure that most of you guys don't know it. If you have a rectangle and you want to round the corners of it, you can easily do it. But if you press Alt key and then click on it, then it will give you this amazing shape. So I hope you like this trick. Lastly, there is a bonus tip for you guys. So if you are drawing golden ratio circles, then what you have to do is to draw a regular circle and make a copy of it. Now what you have to do is to select the copy and then click on transform and multiply the value with 1.618. So this value is golden ratio value, and then you have a golden circle. So all you have to do is to repeat the same process by selecting the second circle and then multiply it with 1.618, and you have another golden ratio circle, and you can draw as many as you want. I hope you like this trick. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon